Hello guys, my name is Alina and today I'll be making some bracelets and I might make a ring if it takes short time for my bracelet though. Bracelets out of bracelet out of rubber band, but I might make a ring. I already told you. So I'm gonna make them out of rubber bands, and you have this. You need everything that you need is you have this hook. You need this hook. Like see this pointy part. You do the rubber band like that, and you need an S on the bottom like that. Okay, and there's plenty more things like these like little beads. And there's plenty more things, but I can't show you everything. And there's other bits that I made, and I'll show you them right now. So I have not put any beads in them, but some of them I did, but I don't know where they are. So look, my blue, white one, cotton candy one, and my pink ring, and also ring, and this bracelet, ring, turn it bad. And I haven't shown you this. These are my brother. My brother made this, but now he forgot how to make them. I know it's really funny. Okay, now let's get started. See which one I should use. I'm using blue and purple. Can't really see it. Okay, first thing you do is stretch it, then do that. Put it on your fingers. That's the first step. Second step is should we look up just. Put on your fingers, no cross. Okay? It should look like that. Third step is the same thing, but do not cross. I told you. And you see, you have your hook that I showed you in the starting, and you just take the bottom rubber band and put it there in the middle, and take your other bottom rubber band and put it there. And just move it if it's on top of each other. Look fine. And then the fifth step is you take the S like I showed you in the starting, and like see this, you're gonna just hook it up in there. I'll show you how to do it. There, now put it in there, okay? This is how it's supposed to look, and then stretch it afterwards. Make sure you don't get hurt though. And then the sixth step is you take this, put it on your finger, because you should always have 3, but not only 2, and that's gonna be a mistake if you have 2. Well, my cousin made 2 by 2. It looks pretty good, but not that good. Like people away, I know my baby looks pretty. It should look like that. I mean, take the bottom one just like I said, put in the middle, and take the other bottom one like I said, and put in the middle, just like that. And then stretch it, like I said last time. Keep on going. I'm trying to fix it. I'm gonna try to do better later on. Got it ruined. Okay. Take another rubber band, put it there. Take your hook, take the bottomest rubber band, put it in the middle. The same thing on your other finger, and then stretch it like I said. And so like this. How it looks so far. How it looks long so far. That long. Almost done. With your hand, and guys, when it's a tool here, then you stop. You just stop randomly, like until your hand. But for a little baby, you should do it like short, like a tool where your thumb is. No, shorter than that. But you should measure. If you're doing your ring, you should probably measure like that. It's easier. Let's do that. No. It's too big if I make a ring right now. Rather, yeah. So stretch it. That's so far. Almost done. I'll show you. Like that. And I'm almost done. Am I done? I think I'm done. I just do one. Almost stretch. And then the last part you do is you just take a second, do that, even though you, like, wait, what happened? No, wrong happened. That, this, take from the bottom, okay, and do that, that. Then least. It has to be like this. Then you know what you do? Take your hook, or any way you could do it. That, and then other one, and you just do that. How long I made it? Like that. You just stretch it. Make someone stretch it. You see this is gonna take it and then just put it in. Pretty difficult. And I can't even do that. It's gonna take time, guys. Done. Okay, well, big gap there. That's how I made it. It's done, and now let's see if it fits me. Oh, it definitely fits me. Look, like that. It fits perfectly. It looks, it looks perfect. And let me see the. Oh my God! Look, two of these. These two actually look kind of the same because they both have. Wait. They both have purple. Yeah. Two like match. And actually, I will make a ring. So, same ring. You just do the same thing, okay, guys? And let's see if you could do it by yourself. This fingers like this. Oh, so other one. Stretch. Not my side. Stretch. Rubber band. You now see? Only one left. You do the same thing. Your hook. It's gonna be difficult now. See? It's a difficult part. Take the S. Do the hooking. Do the hook. Do the hook. Yeah, I did it. Look how tiny it is. Let's see if it fits me. Actually fits me, guys. Look, fits me. It could be for me, or it could be for little baby. My aunt's a little baby. She has two babies actually, and I might give it to them, or I might keep it. I might make the other one for them. I think I'll give it to them. I don't know. I'll choose later. So guys, I'm done with the video, but I want to show you something. I will see you later. Bye, guys. I'll see you later in another video, and I might make another video, or I might not. Bye, guys. I'll see you later on.